Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 49 divide 49 divide 49 divide 49. Okay, so now before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video and comment your answer step by step with solution. I am personally giving every comment a score out of 10. Let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is division, and also here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 49 divided by 49 is equal to 1. Then divide 49, divide 49. Okay, now 1 divided by 49 can be written as 1 upon 49 divide 49. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep 1 upon 49 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction 1 upon 49. Okay. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Then 49 multiply 49. So is equal to 2401. Okay. So the correct answer is 1 upon 2401. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Okay, because I am giving you a marks from out of 10. So please comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.